is going to be a full-on kayak fishing video. So, got a new kayak. I've been out on it about 3 times before, but I haven't done a full-on video of it, so this will be it. Got all the camera gear ready, got all the rods, just waiting on some mates and then get going. Right, we're not at the spot yet. Oh, rubbish cast, doesn't mean I'm going to trawl it behind me. So I'm going to trawl that there behind me. Yes. So we're going to trawl out to spot. The time lapse now. Alright guys, this isn't good. I let out my whole spool because I forgot I had a line out. But slowly winding it back in. Oh gosh, that was a rookie mistake. Oh no, the line's still wrapped around. It's not good. Luckily I don't have a rudder. Oh, and I'm just drifting onto like a side swell now. Okay. Yeah. 2 o'clock. Oh no. Just got like wrapped around the rod. Oh well. It's got it fixed. Just getting this. You think you can sort it, don't you? Then everything just goes awry and just goes wrong. Hopefully I catch one fish. But of course, first one back to Tanara, then second one I catch, or I'll probably fill it and use it for bait. But I'll see you when I have a fish. Alright guys, sorry I did tell you that I would film it, but it was just a surprise. I was just seeing if there were any fish. Thought there weren't, but then got this big 41 centimetre snapper, not snapper, turned. Just spiked them and I put them in the chili bin bit there. But yeah, I just got them on the oh, it's down there, but got them on a Shimano Lucanus green shrimp.
That's why they're here.
So
We've got to find and then I can
yep.
hit.
Yeah, so there's just sand under us. Yeah, so after I got that good 41 centimetre journey, there's not much happening now, so we're just moving spots. Just trying to see what to do. Alright, so there's nothing really out here. I might go, except for that journey, I might go in soon, but I'm just paddling out a bit further, see if there's any more fish, but I think there will be. But you know, got to keep drying. But also just sort of some stuff I need to my kayak when it come after I wash it. After I fill it that journey, I'm gonna add a measuring tape along here. Oh, my friend just got a hit on a soft bait. Oh, it's sunny. I forgot my sun glasses. So it's very sunny for me. But yeah, I might actually just get a lure. So I've just got a little grub on that. The hook's actually too big for it, but I don't really care. I just sort of chuck it on. Bro, these casts are not doing good. And I've just got a tip wrap. Oh, of course. Every time I turn the camera on, something goes wrong. And I've got tip wrap. How it got somehow this line got through the other line, which is so weird. So I'm just gonna cast it out and just trawl. See you when have a fish on, hopefully. I want to put the gurnard on. Just caught it on my bait caster, this green shrimp one. I actually just casted it out and it was winding pretty fast. It was obviously dragging on the bottom, just hooked them. But it was in quarter of a mouth, so I didn't really snag him. We must have just swam after it fastly and got it. But yeah, now I'm into some move spots, try and find the spot again. I just changed my lure to this Timu paddle tail. See if I can catch something now. Looks like we're moving spots again, so oh, I got another tip right. Oh well. Okay, let's give it a cast. First cast with a new colour lure on. Oh. That was a good cast, that one. So done. Now then to move. So I'm paddling back in now because there's nothing to. Hence, there's nothing really out here. The others are. I'm not sure where they're going out to another spot, but I'm paddling in. So it's not that far, probably about 2 k's in, so hopefully I get a fish since I'm still trawling. So I just set phone up there, camera up there, so I can see if I get a fish or not. Well, if I don't see it, then if I don't get a fish, then this is probably goodbye. Actually, it's not goodbye since I actually do probably seen of the fish, filleting the fish. So see ya, either want to get a fish or filleting the gurnard. On a fish! I'm on a fish! Yep, I'm on a fish. Yep, we're on a fish. Oh yeah, we're on a fish. Hopefully you can see from the sun. Oh, he's taking me for a sleigh ride. Oh. There you go. Yeah, on a fish. Oh yeah, it's a kahawai. It's a big kahawai. It's a big kahawai. Loosen the drag. Oh, far out. He just jumped around the other side of the kayak. Don't let him go. I don't need him. Holy. Oh. Didn't run a net. Alright, mate. It's alright. Oh. Good way to break a rod there. Alright. Come on. Oh. Oh, he's not actually that big. I over-exaggerated it. Come on. Here we go. In the boat. Oh. Kahawai. Get the towel. Get the towel. It's a nice kahawai. Oh, yeah, he is quite big. It's a nice kahawai. Big kahawai. Gotta let him go. Going home. Oh, that was a nice fight. Okay, not that I have another cast, but whew, that was on that little Timu lure. Oh, don't sit, rat. I'll show you. On that lure, does the damage. Like every time I put it on, I do a fish. That was a nice kahawai. He went home. Now, see you back at the filleting table. Right, so that nice unit here. So now I'm going to fillet it. So I just watched a quick YouTube video on how to do this. So, get the sharpener out of the way. It's a bit, yeah, so. Get the towel to hold the tail. Cut down to here. And then yep, that's how you do it. You just go along the spiny, but make sure that. Wow, yeah, the hose just blew up in my face. The whole fitting just broke. So I didn't have to get new one of those, but I sorted it out. So now I continue from where I was. Then the cut down a couple inches down here. Okay. Yep, so that's good. Hopefully I didn't muck that up. Now, now I've got very spiky heads, so definitely need a towel first, but yeah. Now I need to cut it a bit more. It's not. Not really too sure how to do this. I need to crack it actually. Alright, so I just did that. Well, I got some help to do that. Now I just gotta. Didn't really work. So now I've got to sort of do it like a snapper. Bit of meat there. Need the towel back. I'm doing this the wrong way. So don't copy me. So you're not doing it. Watch Matt Watson's video. That's what I tried to do then. Or just watch any video, it doesn't really matter. Nah, that's not gonna work. Oh well guys, thank you for watching this video. So I'm just gonna probably end it there. You won't probably see me. So, but I'll just teach you how to sharpen a knife. So you get your knife sharpener, get your knife and you just sort of pull back. Make sure it goes away from you so you don't stab yourself. Anyway, it should be good for you. Always have like knife sheaths. I'm not gonna put it in there since it's dirty and you wash it, but make sure you always have knife sheaths, otherwise it'll just be, you just stab yourself and just be responsible with knives when you're around knives. Or just get your parent to do it, but yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna do probably a quick washing down the kayak scene, but otherwise, see ya. Oh, comment down below if you know why there's heaps of salt water in here, like, yes, that's definitely salt water. We think it's in through the sealant, since this wasn't actually bought brand new. We bought it like one of the manufacturer's seconds, so we don't think there's sealant in these bits. So don't know if they do sealant, but comment why there's heaps of water in there. Like actually, if you know why. There's like no holes in the hull or anything. Not sure how it's getting in there, since it's getting in through the screws, but comment if you know.